Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video, we would like to discuss calling a method from another method. So basically we would like to discuss calling a function that is called from another function. Let me illustrate it with an example. So here is my main function. In this main function, I am calling a function that is called start, okay? And it requires no parameter because there is no parameter inside the parentheses. So we go and check this start function. So we go and here we see that when in the main function this line is written, the compiler is basically going to implement this line of code. So it is going to call the start function and then execute this part of the code. So this is a start function with no parameters. It's a void type. It means that it is not going to return anything. Whenever this start function is called, it is going to basically print this message saying that starting ... okay, starting. After that, it is going to call a function that is called display message. Whenever the compiler sees this line of code, it is going to execute this function now. So this is another function that is called display message. It's a void type. It is not going to return anything. And then whenever it is called, it is going to print this message, hello from inside another method. Okay. So when I run the code, you see that first of all, this starting is being printed. So I call the start function. It goes and execute this function. This is what is being printed. Then it is going to call the display message function. Inside the display message function, it is going to write down hello from inside another method. So you see that this message is being shown there. So basically in the main function, here, I'm calling the start function that you see here. And in the start function, which is this part, I am calling the display message function, and then this function is being executed. So in this video, we learned how to call a function from another function.